Hi everyone, we have a 2000 Honda Accord with a 2.3 liter. The customer's complaining he's driving along, the engine started to slow down like it was running out of gas, pulled over to the side of the road, tried to restart it, the engine cranked over fine, but the engine would not start. So it was towed in yesterday, and I took a look at it today, and I'll show you what I found out. One of the first things you want to do when you're doing any kind of diagnostic in any kind of vehicle is you have the key off, obviously, then you put the key in the ignition and you're looking for the lights to come on the dash. So you're looking for the maintenance light, the check engine light, SRS, brake light, and then up in this corner up here there's supposed to be a green key, a picture of a green key come on, and that's supposed to come on when you cycle the key on, and it's supposed to stay on for 2 seconds and then it's supposed to go off. So that's an anti-theft system, and what that does, it goes from the key to an immobilizer, and every time I cycle that key, that should come on for 2 seconds. And it goes from the key to the immobilizer, and then from there, it goes to the fuel pump, it disables the fuel system. So I sprayed some alternative fuel, and I was able to get the engine to start. And then I started taking a closer look at the key itself. It's not a Honda key, it's an aftermarket key. It says JMA, and then it's, you know, Honda, there's a Honda name on there, but it's the chip in here, whatever someone's done, this is not a factory, this is an aftermarket key. So now that I know the engine's capable of running, because I sprayed some fuel in the vacuum line on the intake manifold, cranked it over, the engine fired, then when it ran out of the fuel, it shut off. But a little tip from John Sadler's, when you're first doing your initial evaluation and you turn that key on, and the first time I turned it, the green light did come on and go off. And it didn't start, and that's when I sprayed the fuel in. Then ever since then, every time I turned the key on, the green light does not come on. So that means we don't have any fuel. So the first thing I did is I stopped everything and called the customer and asked them to find their spare key, bring me their spare key, and then we'll go on from the diagnosis from there. Thank you very much. Have a great day.